Have you ever wondered what it's like to ride a ride on its last day of operation? Well, hi guys, I'm Math Machine. Today we're here to ride Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit on its last day of operations. And it's just sad because it's actually one of my favorite coasters here at Universal. I'm actually recording this intro after I actually rode the ride and recorded the rest because I recorded in the wrong frame rate. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. It seems like the section's kind of open and they have a queue going on right here to get into it. So I'm gonna hop in this queue right over here to get into it. Like I said, this is the last day of this beauty's operation. So I really want to get at least like 2 rides on this thing today. Now I'm iPhone vlogging just because of weather. So hop in this queue and see what happens. So this queue looks like it starts at the stage right over here, which it normally does not start stage. That's kind of weird, but let's say that for a different story. And there's a group of people lined up and they're just waiting for the weather clearance to open the roller coaster back up right now. Right there's the Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit over there. It looks like the team members here are giving out these guitar picks for the last day of operation of this ride. I'll be probably putting this on the wall in my room as soon as I get home. I'm excited about this. And it also seems like the line's actually starting to move finally. It looks like it just started testing. I can't wait to ride this thing for the last couple of times. Hopefully it'll go down the drop and clear all the stuff. The ride's actually posted at a 175-minute wait, which is like 3 hours almost. So I can definitely be using my express pass to get on this thing and probably single rider. So I'm about to put you guys in the locker. So I see you guys on the ride with the Meta Ray-Ban. And the locker line actually is very long also, as you guys can see. The locker line's pretty long. So I just ran into David, Storm Runner Sam. This is channel. So what do you think about this ride? I know you like it personally a lot.
This is my favorite ride in the world, more than Storm Runner, and so I'm going to miss it so much. But luckily, I did get a wristband for the last train of the night, but unfortunately, I will be sobbing. I love this ride too much, and I'm going to miss it dearly.
This was Possessed by Black Sabbath. That's my background or my song for that ride. I think I'm gonna make that my last ride, fortunately. I've been up since like 6:30 a.m., but I just want to say goodbye to this beauty. Yeah, this is actually one of my favorite coasters here at Universal. Yeah, I'm kind of sad because of it, but I'm excited for what's coming because it's one of my favorite manufacturers, Intimate. But goodbye, Rip Ride Rockit. You'll be missed. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I'm sad that I say goodbye to this thing, by the way. I really am. I'm kind of trying not to cry right now, camera. But thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video if you like saying Rip Ride Rockit, or subscribe to my channel for more coaster content. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.